Okay, I wanted to go over an example on how to do the delta math assignment over finding the equation of a graph. Okay, we're doing lines. We're finding the equation of the graph of a line. Okay, before we do, just keep in mind slope is the rise over the run. Okay, going from one point to another point on your line. Okay, how much do you rise? How much do you run? Okay, the y-intercept is where a graph crosses the y-axis. Okay, and once you know those two things, the equation of a line, it's always going to look like this. Y equals some number, which is the slope, x, plus the other number, which is where you put the y-intercept. Okay, so y equals slope, x, plus y-intercept. Okay, let's do a problem. Okay, the left part of the screen is the actual website, and the image is over here on the right. Okay, so I want to find an equation of this line. Okay, what I would do is first use 2 points on your graph. Remember, the closer together they are, the less you will have to reduce. Okay, so I'm going to try to find 2 points that are real close together. And these on these lines, they actually give you the points, so you don't have to try to find corner points. Okay, so to get from this point to this point, just think about traveling, drawing a right triangle, okay, rising first, then running. Okay, rising means up or down. Okay, so I'm going to have to travel up to get from the point on the left to the point on the right, and then I have to go to the right. Okay, so what I did is I went up 2 spaces, right 1 space. Okay, so my slope, which is rise over run, okay, I rose 2, okay, I went up. Up is a positive direction. So positive 2 is my rise. And then I went to the right 1. Okay, that's my positive 1 because going to the right is also positive. And I have 2 over 1. Okay, that's the right answer. But 2 divided by 1 simplifies to 2. Okay, double check your sign. Okay, the line is going upward from left to right, so you know your line has got to have a positive slope. So the positive at least is good. Okay, the slope is positive 2. Okay, the y-intercept is the next thing you want to think about. Okay, that is where your line crosses the y-axis, the vertical y-axis. Okay, and it looks like it's being crossed over right there. And that is at -5. So the y-intercept is equal to -5. Okay, your final equation. Okay, you put the slope in front of the x. You put the -5, the y-intercept after the plus. So we get y equals 2x plus -5. Okay, if you type that in, they'll take it. But it's better if you have plus a negative to just make that a minus. It's better to just write this as 2x minus 5. Okay, so in the answer, you have to type it all. You have to type the y and the equals and the 2x minus 5. 2x plus -5 would have worked as well. Okay, just click submit. Okay, it's going to say, are you sure? If you miss it, you'll get a second chance. And they pretty much do it the way that I do it. If you watch the examples on their pictures, though, they run before they rise on their triangle. I don't know why they do that, but it's basically the same idea that I use. But please let me know as you work through these problems. If you have any questions at all, I'll help you.